What's going on, guys? Got my package. Amazon Prime. Amazon. I wonder what it could be. We'll find out. Ooh, I like what I'm seeing. Oh yes. Ladies and gentlemen, first off, I like how they put it in the wrap. My last hat, which was my Daredevil hat, right? They didn't fucking wrap it up. This, first off, is how you deliver somebody's package. You put it in fucking plastic to protect the hat. Love that shit, Amazon. Love it. Woo! The new hat smell. Captain America. So, you want to try this hat on real quick? What's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Captain America. Got the Captain America logo. BioWorld, shout out to them. They stay, my bad. They stay making awesome snapbacks. Marvel logo on the back. Marvel tab, but we'll take this off. You know what I'm saying? Now I've got added to my collection. But yeah, very happy that my Captain America hat came in. It came in pristine condition. It wasn't damaged. And it's because they finally put it in fucking plastic. So that's the thing, Amazon. When y'all gonna sell products, you gotta put it in plastic. When you put the hat in plastic, it'll avoid. Now the box does a good job of protecting it for the most part, but you gotta put it in plastic. Whoever wrapped this, a shout out to you. Very smart on your part. And yeah, that's my Captain America hat. Only about 16 bucks, which is what I typically pay for a snapback. So again, I want to thank you. Say a big shout out to Amazon. They always do their thing. I've gotten maybe one complaint about them. But other than that, they always deliver, and they always deliver high-class quality products. Thank you, Amazon. Have a good day, everyone.